Want to make money with AI in 2025? A freelancer, a business owner, or someone looking for a profitable side hustle. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that could double your earnings and help you create passive income. Number 1. ChatGPT, the AI content machine. Are you a writer, marketer, or content creator? ChatGPT is a game changer. You can offer AI-generated content, scripts, blog posts, social media posts, or even coding on popular freelance sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Some freelancers are making over $5,000 per month just by leveraging the power of ChatGPT. Light bulb: how to get started. 1. Offer services like AI content writing or AI-assisted copywriting. 2. Create AI-generated ebooks or online courses to sell. 3. Use ChatGPT to provide market research or SEO strategies to businesses. Number 2. Mid-Journey AI-generated art. If you're creative, Mid-Journey can turn your art skills into money. AI-generated images are becoming extremely popular, with people earning thousands by selling their creations. Whether it's selling prints on Etsy, creating NFTs, or offering custom art on platforms like Redbubble and Fiverr, the possibilities are endless. Light bulb: how to make money. 1. Sell AI-generated prints or wall art on Etsy. 2. Offer custom AI art commissions on Fiverr. 3. Create and sell NFTs using your AI-generated designs. Number 3. Runway AI effortless video editing. Want to edit videos like a professional, but don't have the skills? Runway AI lets you create high-quality videos without needing complex editing software. From background removal to animation generation and even full AI-created videos, it's the perfect tool for YouTubers, marketers, or anyone interested in video content. Light bulb: how to make money. 1. Offer AI video editing services on freelancing platforms. 2. Use Runway AI to create YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos. 3. Offer AI video creation services to businesses for marketing content. Number 4. Synthesia AI video creation for non-faceless creators. Not comfortable showing your face on camera? No worries. Synthesia is an AI tool that creates AI-generated spokesperson videos where an avatar speaks your script. This tool is a goldmine for creating professional-looking explainer videos, training videos, or even ads without the need for a real person on screen. Light bulb: how to make money. 1. Sell AI-generated explainer videos to businesses. 2. Create faceless YouTube channels where the AI avatar delivers your content. 3. Offer AI voiceover services for businesses and marketing agencies. Number 5. Perplexity AI research made easy. Content creators, writers, and students. Perplexity AI is your new best friend. This AI tool helps you get fast, accurate research in seconds. It's perfect for those who need to gather information quickly to write high-quality articles, blog posts, or even research papers. Light bulb: how to make money. 1. Use Perplexity AI to create research-based articles or blog posts. 2. Start a blog that's monetized through ads or affiliate marketing. 3. Offer research services to students, YouTubers, or businesses who need detailed, fast reports. Bonus tip: how to build passive income with AI. The real key to making money with AI isn't just about using these tools once. It's about automation and scaling your efforts. Whether it's AI-generated content, videos, or designs, you can build passive income streams by setting up automated systems that generate money for you 24/7. Light bulb bonus tip ideas. 1. Use AI tools to create digital products, like ebooks, courses, or digital art. 2. Build affiliate marketing websites powered by AI-written content. 3. Create a YouTube channel where AI does all the work: video editing, script writing, voiceovers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more AI money-making tips in the future.